Okay, so today we're leaving for the island tour here in El Nido. We did Tour A, so someone's gonna pick us up from our place and take us to the El Nido beach where we'll get on a boat, and then we're gonna go to a bunch of different places today, like different islands, the Blue Lagoon, and some other places. So I'll show you what that all looks like. So we're just waiting for our boat to come pick us up, and so everyone's waiting here, and then each boat comes up and then you truck through the water to get onto the boat. Right now we're going to our boat, so we have to walk through here to get through. These are all the other people waiting to get on their boats.
So I just got straight my swimsuit.
I know. And that's our boat.
Chef is making lunch.
Our first stop is 7 Commandos Beach, and we're gonna be here for like only 30 minutes, and there's a few boatloads of people here, so it's a little bit crowded, but the water is really clear.
Structure right there.
Yeah, these are all the boats. Yeah, really clear. And there's like a back area, a ton of palm trees, coconut trees. The first group here, it's like 10 o'clock now, so the water's so clear.
There's a resort here.
Yeah, you could stay here too. It's cool when you walk to the back of the 7 Commandos beach. There's another like cliff and with all these coconut trees. There's a volleyball. Where's the steps?
And the tree.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, they cut steps in the coconut tree so you can climb up.
Oh. That one's deeper.
That's where they drop you off, and then you can walk down this beach and go swimming, or you can come back here in the shade.
I choose shade.
Shade is smarter.
Soaking up. I don't have to worry about my phone today, which is nice. I think that's us over there. Yeah.
Yeah.
It'd be funny if you just got on the wrong boat. You're like, I don't remember you.
So we're at the second stop on Tour A, and this is like the kayaking part. So you rent a kayak from your boat, and then you kayak through these different islands. Looks really cool.
Saw some fish. Teeny tiny fish.
So I think we have like 30 minutes here, but it's like a little path, like route you can take between all the cliffs and chill whenever you want. It's really peaceful.
Monkey free.
And there's no monkeys. I was expecting monkeys.
Some like romantic music or something.
So all limestone cliffs.
Pretty cool. Lots of cliffs. Trees. This is Melina speaking. I've taken over the camera. Kurt is in here right now. He just ate his lunch and he's digesting. This here almost seems desolate. Then we got lots of humans there. There's a dog. Seems to be alone, running. We're walking on the beach. Pretty nice. That was fun. I enjoyed the lunch. Had to kind of dive in there. There was no real system, sort of a survival of the fittest food gathering, meaning jump in over on top of each other and see how much food you can grab. Which was a little bit annoying, but it's all good. I ate rice and some things. So, yeah. There's a guy here, and he has a kayak, and he's selling beer and bucos, which are coconuts. So he kind of tailgates all these groups and sees how much you can get today. Here he is, and the kayak. Survival of the fittest. Hi. Ooh. What's up? What's up? What's up? Oh, see ya.
We're on Lunch Island, and this is what the back area looks like. Massive cliffs. And there's the water. huge coconut trees. And then you walk out to your boat when you're done. And that's another island right there, but you can't really swim from one to the other because the current's pretty strong right now. But yeah, these cliffs are just taking over this beach. Really cool. It's pretty amazing.